Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the logic board on the iPhone 14. Please check the description for additional repair information, required tools, protective gear and compatible parts. On iPhone 14, remove the back cover to access the internal parts. First, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some phones may need extra heating. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom side. Once there is a gap, carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the back cover is free, carefully lift from left to right. Please note that the back cover is still connected to the device by the wireless charging flex cable. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing the two screws. And then remove the wireless charging connector shield by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the battery connector, followed by the wireless charging connector. You can now fully remove the back cover from the device. Next, remove the faulty logic board from the body. First, remove the shield by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect and remove the front camera. Next, disconnect the earpiece speaker connector and remove the six screws securing the earpiece assembly. And then gently remove the earpiece speaker. Next, disconnect the seven connectors attached to the logic board. Next, remove the five screws securing the logic board. Carefully lift the logic board from the left side. Please note that the board is still connected by cables on the underside. To make the process easier, keep the phone at a 90-degree angle with the logic board resting on the work surface. Next, remove the display connector shield by undoing the screw, and then disconnect the display connector. Next, remove the sensor connector shield by undoing the screw, and then disconnect the plug. You can now remove the logic board from the device. Next, install the new logic board on the body. Please check the description for more information after installing the logic board. Keep the phone at a 90-degree angle and reconnect the display and sensor connectors. Reinstall both shields and secure them with their screws. Next, carefully lower the logic board into position, making sure the surrounding flex cables are moved aside and not trapped underneath. Next, reconnect the 7 logic board connectors. And then secure the logic board with the 5 screws. Next, install the earpiece peak assembly. Secure it with the 6 screws and then reconnect the plug. Next, install the front camera module and reconnect both connectors. Finally, reinstall the shield and secure it with the two screws. Next, install the rear cover to the body. First, apply new pre-cut backglass adhesive around the frame. If adhesive is not available, you can use B7000 glue. Next, reconnect the wireless charging plug and then the battery plug. Next, install the top shield by adding one screw and the battery shield by adding the two screws. Carefully align the back glass with the frame and lower it straight down into position. Once aligned, snap the back cover and apply even pressure around all edges to ensure proper seal. And then add two screws to the bottom. Finally, use bonding clips to hold the back cover in place until the adhesive fully sets. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.